welcome to DeKalb County. Thank you for joining us today for this key interim transaction, which is demolishing blighted dwelling in DeKalb County. I'm Alan Mitchell, the Director of Community Development and also a member of the Blight Taskforce. Beautifying DeKalb County has been a key initiative for the CEO Thurmond since he's been in office in 2017. Under CEO's leadership, he's demolished and abated through our team efforts more than 639 properties. Joined today with me is the CEO himself. Also, we have a citizen, Miss Alice Martin Porter, and also a number of county department employees, code enforcement, and others that have joined us on the task force. At this juncture, I'll turn it over to CEO Thurmond to make some comments, and I'll come back up and give you some specifics on this particular dwelling in terms of how we got to where we are today. Thank you. Mr. CEO.
Let's give Mr. Alan Mitchell a round of applause because he leads this effort for us. Let's just thank you, Mr. Mitchell. Thank you, and thank you to all the employees who are standing here. Thank you to Miss Alice Martin, come here, Miss Porter, because she don't want to say anything. She's a little shy today, but we would not be here but for the tenacity and the determination of this wonderful lady. So let's give her a round of applause. She has fought this fight. And as DeKalb County, we're just proud to be here with you. And you all don't know this, but we are related. Isn't that right?
Yes.
You do claim me, right?
Yes.
We still want you to say something, though. Please, just say a few words.
Well,
Tell us about what you had to do to get us here.
We had to stay on court enforcement to constantly come out. And it's been a long 6 years waiting for this to happen. And I'm just so excited that this day has finally came.
Thank you. That's beautiful. Thank you, cuz. So, and one thing she said, but it's code enforcement, it's the court system, it's the solicitor's office, all of us working together to make this happen. It's the DeKalb County Commissioners, it's the CEO's office. It takes literally a village to remove a blighted property this way. And this is a beautiful neighborhood. You look around, these are proud homeowners. People keeping up their homes and their yards. And the one thing we can do is be a better, good partner to do our part to help you protect your investment. Without further ado, I'll stop now. I'm just proud that we've been able to abate and demolish over 600 properties. I'm so excited for DeKalb County, but most importantly, I'm excited for people like this lady standing next to me because this is their neighborhood. And because of our work, it will be a better neighborhood in about 45 minutes. Is that good?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Come on, Alan.
So as a follow-on, as we indicated earlier, we've had demolished or abated in excess of 639 properties. A keynote would be that in this year, in 2023, we've had 6 abatements and 13 demolitions, including the demolition of today. By introduction of the court system, on November 18th, which happens to be my birthday, on 2021, the code enforcement team, along with law, went to court and got a consent agreement to have this owner eradicate the problem. All the efforts and agreements that were put in place to eradicate this property were not complied to, and therefore the county exercised its right to be able to demolish this blighted property. So today we're executing on that right we had within the consent order. We elected Kissberg Construction as the general contractor. She's here, and she's, as you know, in government, we take the lowest bidder, but she's been able to be successful.
Now
And,
let's give this lady a round of applause.
come right up, Ms. Kissberg, and we have you say some words. But she's the bidder. She's done a number of projects with us, and we like the work she's doing. So would you say a couple comments before we...
Hello, everybody. I just enjoy what I do. I'm just the home wrecker and the cleanup lady. So I appreciate the opportunity the county gives me, and I'm ready to clean up. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Henrietta. It's always good seeing you. She's done a number of projects for us over the years. The cost for this project today is, at least the demolition is about $22,000. As you all know, what we end up doing is putting a lien on this property. So in the event the owner wants to do something with the property, they have to satisfy the lien and pay the money back. The follow-on activities will result in video being taken for the demolition. So At this juncture, we're going to thank you all for participating. We're going to turn the program over to Ms. Kissberg, where we're going to have the machine start the demolition process. So those of you that are here, you can move forward to start video. And thank you again for coming out to DeKalb County.